Hello everyone, welcome back with Microsoft Excel basic tutorials how to use advanced filter. Okay, in here we have these simple tables. We have date, items, and checks. So I will create for list filter with items and checks. You can copy these tables. You can right click, copy, and I will paste at this point. You can click here, paste. The next for filter, I will use items into laptop, and if you want to use advanced filter, you can click data and click in here advanced filter. The next we use a filter list in place, so will be automatically changed in this sheet. You can set for list rank. Okay, I will set in here for list rank, and then for criteria ranks we can use only items laptops, and you can click OK. So it will be automatically filter only for items laptops. You can click clear to back into normal. Okay, the next I will click check senior into yes, and then so you can use advanced filter. For list rank we can select this all tables, and then for criteria I will only check in here. You can click OK. So it will be short in the checks in here, yes. You also can set in these two options. Can clear again, and I will click advanced. For list rank we can set in here, and then for criteria ranks we can check for items, laptops, and yes. You can click OK. So to be show only one laptop with data at this point. If you change again in here into smartphone, and then we can set checks into no. Now you can use advanced again and use list rank, these all tables, and then for criteria ranks we only select these two options, smartphone and no, and you can click OK. So to be show only smartphones with checks no. You also can save this result into another sheet. Okay, you can clear, and we can create new sheet in it. Okay, you can click at these points and you can click advanced. The next for list ranks, you can click at sheet 1 and you can select these all tables. The next for criteria ranks, you can click again sheet 1 and select for this criteria. Okay, and then in here you can use a copy to another locations. And for copy to, you can set at this point, click close, and then you can click OK. So it will be automatically appear in the new sheets. Okay, this for the sheet 1 and this for the sheet 3. Okay, that's it. How to use advanced filter in Microsoft Excel software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.